So guys, yesterday we were selling the pound. Guys, we hit both of our targets, almost the second one as well. And we made money, guys. So the question remains, what are we going to do today, guys? So first of all, let's get rid of all of these drawings. Sorry about that. A bit more, yeah. Here, remove 9 drawings. So guys, remember, keep in mind, guys, we are let's check the forex. We are at the support, but the current price action is bearish. It is supporting this bearish movement. So guys, the question remains, what are we going to do next? So basically, why am I hesitating? The question is simple. Okay, before I do my analysis, let me give it to the AI as well. So I did the euro analysis with the AI. So now let me feed it this. This Forex. Okay, look, this picture is not correct. I will delete this. This is the mistake I made yesterday on the euro. I gave it two wrong pictures and it just copied my own analysis. Not happening, making the same mistake again today. Okay, pound, start execute. Okay, guys, so what happened? Okay, guys, on the 15 minute, we are bullish. On the one edge, guys, we are at this resistance area, which is now the make it or break it area. And on the 4 edge, guys, this is the support. It is acting as resistance. So, guys, what I'm going to do, I need a break above this level to become actually bullish. And if we are not able to break above this levels, guys, I'm bearish. But I'm just selling with one target today. I don't have two targets for sales today. I have just one target, and my target is 1.33617. As long as the price stays below 1.33993. And guys, if the price breaks above this, I just expect a deeper correction. And guys, my target would be 1.34238. So here we are, guys. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Let me see what AI does. It's still doing its analysis. So what I'm going to do meanwhile is input my prices. So I can set the alerts. GBP short, the entry price is 1.33993. Okay, it's almost 1.3400. So I will stick with that. My target, my first target is 1.33617. 33617. And that is my only target. So I'll just paste that in TP2 as well. Okay, I guess the rest I will be using the 1 minute. Okay, maybe that's the cool one. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's update these indicators right here, right now. The 1 minute, so that we can get trades direct to our account and our Discord as well. And we've updated them. So guys, let's see what happens. So the AI is still doing it. So the analysis is done. Master consensus bearish. Verified pivot zone 1.3397 to 1.3405. Bearish trend continuation. London high volume session. The plan anticipates that the rally from low volume Asian session will exhaust and reverse, continuing the previous day's bearish momentum. The 4H time frame provides a macro bearish directional bias. Okay. The severe risk of sentiment driven by escalating Middle East geopolitical tensions, blah 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 blah. Okay, the same. The resulting energy shock, global equity and now channeling capital into US dollars, primary safe haven. The pound is uniquely vulnerable, pressured by both its risk sentiment status and the UK's position. As a major energy importer, this confluence of factors establishes a clear directional bias for the pair. So let's copy these levels and compare them on the chart. Let's open this text box. Okay, it's selling as long as it's below 1.13405, almost same as mine. I'm also the figure I inputted in it was indicator was 1.13400. The target one is 1.3362. Okay, it's same as my one target, and second target is 1.3319. Okay, 1.3319. Oh, it's ambitious, guys. And it is correct. Still correct, ambitious. Sorry about that. Ambitious, but still correct, guys. So, okay, here we are, guys. So, let me just take care, guys. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. Let me just reduce the zone. I think the zone is too big for today's comparatively for today's price action. So I've reduced that to 15. And I guess no, it's too small. You won't get an entry that way. So I'll just move it to 20. I guess 20 is enough for me today. So take care, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.